video, we are going to solve a super common series circuit question. Which resistor drops the most voltage? Okay, from the circuit above, we are asked to find the voltage drop across each resistor and determine which one drops the most voltage. So we are going to write solution. First of all, we will find the total equivalent resistance, which is ROT will be equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore, ROT will be 2 plus 4 ohms plus 6 ohms, which ROT will be 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 6 ohms, which will be 12 ohms. That is the total equivalent resistance of the circuit. So we are going to find the current that flows in the circuit, which is I. I will be equal to V all over R, which will be 12, which will be 24, which will be circuit voltage over what? 12 ohms resistor, which will be what? 2 amps. 25 divided by 12 is 2 amps. So therefore, the voltage drop across, so we are asked to find the voltage drop across each resistor. The voltage drop across each resistor will be V. The voltage that will drop across the resistor, other one will be I1 equals to I1, which will be the current I, which is 2 amps, multiplied by what? The resistance, which is the resistance of R1 is 2, which will be 4 volts. The voltage that will drop across the resistor R2 will be I2, which will be the current, which is 2 multiplied by the resistance of R2, which is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8 volts. So therefore, the resistance, the voltage that will drop across the resistor R3 will be I3, which will be 2 multiplied by R3 is 6 ohms, which will be what? 12 volts. So here are the voltage drop across each resistor. So we are asked and determine which one drop the most voltage. So from this, from the value of the voltage drop, the voltage that drop across resistor R1 is 4, and resistor R2 is 8, and resistor R3 is 6. So from our calculation, it is resistor R3 that drop the most voltage, which is the second question, which is B. R3, which is equal to 6 ohms, drop the most voltage, which is 12 volts. So that is the answer from our calculation. So resistor R3, which is 6 ohms, drop the highest voltage, which is 12 volts from the circuit. Bye.